Well, tires that are worn out are really problematic. Worn out tires don't handle on the road properly. And that can become a safety issue for not only the driver of that vehicle, but anyone else that's on the road. It's very important to have good quality tires on your car. If you see your TPMS light turn on in your car, that is definitely something that you should pay attention to. It indicates that your air pressure is low, and that can affect the handling of the car, and it can also damage the tire, which is a very important thing to have checked out. Well, what you could do is if you're not near a city tire location, because we would love to check your air pressure for you, you could always stop into maybe a local gas station. Maybe you could also buy your own tire pressure gauge and check it maybe on a monthly basis. Obviously, vehicles just need to be generally maintained, but it is our job to make sure that when we are maintaining them, we do it correctly, we do it right, and when the customer leaves, they are as safe as we could possibly make them. That's what drives everything that we do.